Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix unable to add DNS record in GoDaddy. All right, let's begin. If you're trying to add a DNS record in GoDaddy and it's not letting you, here's a quick fix. Go to the domain management page for the domain you're working on. The main reason you can't add a new DNS record is likely due to custom name servers being in use. To resolve this, go to the Name Servers section. If you see that custom name servers are active, you need to switch them back to the default GoDaddy name servers. Select the option to change name servers, then choose the GoDaddy default settings. Click Continue to confirm the change. Once you've done that, return to the DNS management page. Refresh the page a couple of times to make sure the update has taken effect. Now, you should see the Add Record button enabled. You can now proceed to add new DNS records without any issues. This quick switch back to GoDaddy's default name servers removes restrictions that may have been set by custom DNS providers. So that's basically how you can fix unable to add DNS record in GoDaddy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.